mind when you hear a name C.V. Raman, the inventor, the explorer, the scientist. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, the Indian physicist who made his motherland proud by becoming the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for Physics. Who is C.V. Raman? How did he achieve all these things? What is the story behind him? Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was born on November 7, 1888, in the city of Tiruchirappalli, Madras. Raman's father was Chandrasekhara Ramanathan Iyer and his mother was Parvati Ammal. His father, initially a school teacher, and became a lecturer in mathematics and physics in Visakhapatnam. He displayed a brilliant mind even as a child and passed his matriculation examination when he was just 11. In 1903, aged just 14, Raman set off for the great city of Madras, now Chennai, to live in a hostel and begin a bachelor's degree at Presidency College. He topped the exams and won a gold medal. 3 years later, he earned his MA degree in 1907. He was deeply interested in science. He appeared for the Financial Service Civil Service examination at the insistence of his father. He topped the examination and went to Calcutta in 1907 to join the Indian Finance Department as Assistant Accountant General. Still, his heart was in scientific research and he began conducting research at the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science during his free time. His job was very hectic, yet he was so dedicated towards science that he often spent nights at research. In 1917, he got the opportunity to join the University of Calcutta as the first Pallitt Professor of Physics. Raman happily resigned from his government post to take up this position, though the new job paid much less than the previous one. Such was his dedication to science. Raman effect. During the late 1920s, he experienced on the scattering of light by observing the behavior of monochromatic light which penetrated transparent material and fell on a spectrograph. This led to the discovery of what came to be known as Raman effect, which he presented at a meeting of scientists in 1928. He won the 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the Raman effect, becoming the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize in the science. He was honored by the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1954, in recognition of his invaluable contribution to the field of science. He was married on 6th May 1907 to Lokasundari Ammal. They had 2 sons, Chandrasekhar and Radhakrishnan. Raman was very deeply interested in musical instruments such as the veena, the violin, the mridangam and the tabla. A few days before his 83rd birthday, Raman suffered a mild heart attack. But there was a quick recovery. He never dreamt a life without work. He had told his doctor, "I wish to live a 100% active and fruitful life." Raman, a seeker of truth throughout his life, passed away on the 21st of November 1970.
എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖമല്ലേ? ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ 2 ഗ്ലാസ് വെള്ളം വെച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഒരു എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റ് ചെയ്യുക എന്നാണ് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ കാണിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അതിനായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് 2 ഗ്ലാസ് വെള്ളം വേണം. അതിൽ ഒരു ഗ്ലാസ്സിനകത്തോട്ട് നമുക്ക് 1 ടേബിൾ സ്പൂൺ സോൾട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. നല്ലപോലെ ഒന്ന് ഇളക്കി കൊടുക്കാം. നല്ലപോലെ അരിയണം. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഒരു ഉള്ളി എടുത്ത് ഇതിനകത്ത് നോക്കാം. അത് പൊങ്ങിക്കിടന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇനി ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് മറ്റേ ഗ്ലാസിന്റെ അകത്തോട്ട് ഒരെണ്ണം ഇട്ട് നോക്കാം. അത് താങ്ങു പോയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതാണ് ഉപ്പിട്ട വെള്ളത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്തിട്ടാലും അത് പൊങ്ങിക്കിടക്കും. ഉപ്പില്ലാത്ത വെള്ളത്തിൽ എന്തിട്ടാലും അത് താങ്ങും പോകും.